you how to use this cool truck bed net. This is from Chortly Gear. It's 50 inches long or wide by 18 inches tall. It's got some stuff in here. There's some clips, it looks like, and a really high quality net. This is nice, stretchy, strong, elastic rope. Let's see what these attachments look like. All right, so you've got some choices here. You've got plastic clips, and you've got carabiners. I think we'll use the carabiners today. All right, the top of the net has an opening in it, so we'll just attach a carabiner on there and hook it to the truck bed. Super easy. Same thing on the bottom. Take a couple more over here. And this is super fast setup. It doesn't take time. You can keep this in the back of your truck until you need it and pop it up in just 2 minutes. Now, what I like about this is it's got a closure on the top. This thing will seal in anything you got flying around in there, from paper to boxes. So you're not going to see anything flying around in the wind and flying out of your truck at high speed. You can fit lots of stuff in there, and it's super tight and elastic, so it's not going to be, knocking around in the back of your truck.